Good evening, ma'am. My name is WEBEX7SUDHA. My registered number is UR15CS139. Today I am going to explain my exercise 7 in web technology. It is mainly based on the jQuery. So the question is like to create a sample pop-out model box using CSS and jQuery. Here is the model, some of the models which have been given in the question. And then the second one is to create an according using the jQuery. So in the according, we have created three sessions, which if we click on it, it will be displaying the data which has been hidden in it. Now we are going into the code. So here I have created two HTML files. So first we will be going to the first index.html. So here I have created an head with title with no title, and then I have created an HTML with minimum of height 100%, and then now I have created a model with here I have included the CSS file in this. So the model with the background of color white, and then width of 80%, and the position is like pixel, and then left is 10%, and the text align is center, and the display is none. So now we are going into the body. So in the body it is like we have to set a style with the background linear gradient to bottom green to bottom right to blue, violet and blue, and then text align as center, and then I have created a title with model, and then I have created a separate division with the class name as overlay, and then I have created another division with the class of model. In that model I have created a heading with h2 of model, and then now I am going to create a para with some data, and then now I have created a button with class as close, and then I have created another button with the class name as open. So here you can see, and the script was taken from jQuery here you can see I have got the jQuery from the public.html, and then the type as text.javascript, and in the script document in the script I have to we have to get the document like document.ready function, and then if we click on the open function, so that it will be showing the model, and if we click on the close button, it will be closing the model. That's all. In the jQuery that was given all the functions which have been inserted in that. This file was already uploaded. Now we are going to the second one, that is according. In this I have created an title note with no title, and then I have created a style of HTML with minimum height of 100%, and then the content as a display and background color as white. And then here in the body I have set the style as background as radial gradient yellow to green, and then text align as center, and the font size as 3am, and I have created a separate division with the class name as container, and then I have created several divisions with the class name with different class names like title content, and then with the different IDs. Here you can see I have given the class name as title, and I have given the ID as A1, so it will be differentiated with the class name and the ID. And in class content I have given the similar data which have been given in all the three, and then we are using the script a script of jQuery. So for using that, the tag is script as src as jQuery, which is the source of the jQuery code, and then the type as text or JavaScript. And then if we are going into the script, we have to from the ready function, if we click on A1 of ID of A1, so this dot next function dot slide taggle. If we click on A2, that is next of slide tappa, and then we are going similarly for the A3 and then A1, the A2 dot click function is this dot next dot slide taggle, and dot is just a previous slide up, and then if we go for A3, that is next dot slide up dot A1 dot next dot slide up. Similarly for A1 also. If we are going for the output of this function, this is the output for the first one. So here you can see, if we click on the open button, it will be opening the hidden data which have been written in the model, that is set up for the process development, and the data was displayed here. If we are going for the second one, here you can see I kept this as so here in the output you can see I have created 3 accordings. In the first according, here you can see the data has been headed in the first according. If you click on the second according, here you can see the content in the second according will be displayed. If you click on the third according, the content which have been displayed in the according 1 and according 2 will be similarly closed if click on the another according. This is the experiment. See here you can see. Thank you.